Do you know the names of the WTTC trophies? By Coach EmRatThich. PingSunday.com. From May 17th to 25, the world's finest table tennis stars will descend upon Lusail Arena and the Qatar University Sports Complex for the ITTF World Table Tennis Championships Finals, Doha 2025. With 5 fierce disciplines: men's singles, men's doubles, women's doubles, and mixed doubles, the eyes of fans around the globe will be glued to blistering forehands, thunderous rallies, and unexpected upsets. But behind the blinding pace and the roaring crowd lies something far more timeless: the trophies. Not just symbols of victory, but icons of history engraved with the names of legends past and future. The St. Bride Vase men's singles. The most coveted trophy in men's table tennis, the St. Bride Vase has been awarded to the men's singles world champion since 1929. Heavy in both silver and legacy, it has been held aloft by the likes of Victor Barna, Jan-Ove Waldner, and Ma Long. To win it is to become immortal in our sport. In Doha, all eyes are on Lin Shidong, Wang Chuqin, and Hugo Calderano, each dreaming of etching their names into its legacy. The Geist Prize, women's singles, named in honor of Dr. Gaspar Geist, a pioneer in German table tennis. The Geist Prize was introduced in 1931 and is presented to the women's singles champion. It has been kissed, cradled, and lifted by the most iconic names in the women's game, from Deng Yaping to Zheng Yining, and most recently, Sun Yingxia, who now seeks to defend it with authority in Qatar. The Iran Cup men's doubles gifted by the Shah of Iran in 1947, the Iran Cup is the crown jewel of the men's doubles competition. Doubles play, often underappreciated by casual fans, demands supreme coordination and chemistry, qualities that the champions of this event display with stunning precision. The W.J. Pope Trophy Women's Doubles. A year after the Iran Cup, the W.J. Pope Trophy was introduced in 1948 to honor the best women's doubles pair. Named after an English table tennis figure who promoted the women's game, this trophy recognizes the unbreakable bond between partners, forged through footwork, strategy, and synchronized shots. The Heydusek Cup mixed doubles. The Heydusek Cup, also introduced in 1948, celebrates champions in mixed doubles, the most unpredictable and dynamic event in the championships. Named after Czech table tennis advocate Zdeněk Heydusek, it rewards those who master balance, quick adaptation, and flawless teamwork.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.